Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is fine. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve simultaneous equations. I have already written down the question for you. If you see both of these equations are quadratic equations, let's see how we are going to further simplify them. We are going to find out the values of x and y, and at the end we'll write the solution set in the form of ordered pairs. Before giving numbers to the equation, see this first equation, we are going to first simplify it. Y minus 1 whole square, we are going to open up the bracket. This is the second algebraic identity, x square plus y square minus 2y plus 1, and and let's say that is equal to 10. Right, so this is going to be our equation number 1. Now there is no whole square, and this is going to be our equation number 2. So now we are going to subtract equation 1 and 2, subtracting 1 and 2. So we are talking about here equation 1 and 2. Let's write down the equation number 1. X square plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equals 10. And x square plus y square plus 4x equals 1. While subtracting the equation, we are going to change the signs. We'll encircle the original signs, and below that, we are going to write down the different signs. If it is plus, then we'll write down minus. So now we are going to subtract them. If you see, these two terms, x square and minus x square, will get cancelled. Plus y square and minus y square will get cancelled. And we are left with the terms minus 4x minus 2y plus 1 equals 9. So if you further simplify it, we get minus 4x minus 2y plus 1 minus 9 equals 0. Right? So you see, after subtracting the two equations, now we get a linear equation, and from that we can easily find out the value of x and y. And from here we can take minus 2 as common, so our equation will get more simplified. When minus 2 will go to the other side, it becomes 0 divided by minus 2, it becomes 0. 2x plus y plus 4 equals 0. Now if you see this equation, this is a linear equation, and we can easily make y as the subject of the equation. So y is equal to minus 2x minus 4, right? Or you can say y is equal to, minus can be taken as common, this one. This we are going to make as A equation, capital A. Now we'll insert this as the linear equation. Now we'll insert this linear equation y, the value of y, in any of the given equation number 1 and 2. So let's put A in 2. Let me write down the equation number 2 first, so that it will be easy for you to insert the values. X square plus y square plus 4x is equal to 1. This was the original equation number 2 that was given to us. Now instead of y, we'll just write this value, x square plus minus 2x plus 4 whole square plus 4x equals 1. So now the whole equation is in x. We can easily find out the value of x now. X square, this square is on minus sign too. When it will be on minus sign, it will become plus. When it will be on this 2x plus 4, we'll open the formula. It will become 4x square 16x plus 16 plus 4x minus 1 equals 0. So we'll just solve it further. X square plus x square becomes 5x square. 16x and 4x becomes 20x, and plus 16 and minus 1 will become plus 15. You can take 5 as common, and from here you can write x square plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. So now we are going to break down the middle term so that we can easily find out the values of x. So x plus 3x plus x plus 3 equals 0. From both of these terms, we can take x as common, and then we can take 1 as common. And from here we have x plus 3 and x plus 1 equals 0. So these are two factors. It will equate each of these factors is equal to 0. So either x plus 3 equals 0 or x plus 1 equals 0. So x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 1. So now for these values of x, we are going to find out the values of y. So we'll put these values in A. Put in A. For x is equal to minus 3, put this value in A equation. What was the A equation? Let us write that equation. It was y is equal to minus 2x minus 4. So y is equal to minus 2. Instead of x, we'll write minus 3 and we'll just solve it. So y is equal to 2. So for x is equal to minus 3, we get y is equal to 2. And again for x is equal to minus 1, we'll put in x equal to minus 1 in A equation. So minus 2x minus 4 was the equation. And instead of x, we'll insert minus 1. So y is equal to 2 minus 4. It comes out to be y is equal to minus 2. So at the end, we are going to write down the solution set. Solution set will be in the form of ordered pairs. So if you see, for x is equal to minus 3, we got y is equal to 2. And then for x is equal to minus 1, we got y is equal to minus 2. So this is the solution set of question number 5. Let's solve one more question of the same type. Question number is 6. Let me write down the question first. X plus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 5. And the other equation is x plus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 5. We write down the solution. Before giving numbers to these equations, we are going to open up all the squares. X plus 1 whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1. And also it is y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 5. Let's do it. It can also be simplified as x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 2 equals 5. And then the second equation, x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square equals 5. Now give numbers to these equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2, right? So we cannot, it will be difficult to solve these equations as it is. So we are going to eliminate few terms. For eliminating few terms, we are going to subtract the two equations. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. Let me write down the equation 1. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 2 equals 5. And equation number 2. X square plus 4x plus y square plus 4 equals 5. Now, how we are going to subtract the two equations? We'll encircle the original signs, and below that we are going to write down the different signs. If the sign is of plus, we are going to write down minus. Now if you see, few terms can get cancels. X square with minus x square, y square with y square, and now we are going to write down the remaining terms. It will be minus 4x plus 2x becomes minus 2x, then plus 2y, then minus 2, and 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. This will get also cancelled, right? So if you see, you can take 2 as common. We can take minus 2 as common. We are left with x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. It can also be written as x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So now you see the given equations were quite complicated, and we have converted them into simpler form. And from this equation, we can make one variable as a subject and we can insert that equation into the given equation so that we can find out the value of one variable. Let's say from here you can take y to the other side, it will become x plus 1 equals y, or you can even write it y is equal to x plus 1. So now this is a linear equation. We can give it the value of a and we can insert this into the any of the given equation, right? So let's insert the values in the given equation. Let's insert in equation number 2. Put a in, put a in 2. So what was second equation? Let me write it down for you. It was x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square is equal to 5, right? So instead of y, we'll just insert the values x square plus 4x plus 4 and it will become x plus 1. So now you see the whole equation is in x. We can easily find out the value of x from this. We just are going to simplify it. We'll open up the bracket, right? And let's solve it. X square plus x square becomes 2x square, right? And then 4x plus 2x becomes plus 6x. 4 plus 1 is 5 and it will get cancelled by minus 5, so you are left with just this thing, right? After that we are going to solve out. We'll take 2 as common factor. 2x can be taken as common factor. We are left with x plus 3 equals 0. So write I either 2x is equal to 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. Here x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. So you see we have taken out the value of x. Now we'll insert these values one by one in a equation. So put in a, what was a? Y is equal to x plus 1. So when you will insert x is equal to 0 in this equation, you are left with y is equal to 1. And again for x is equal to minus 3, put in a equation was y is equal to x plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1, so y is equal to minus 2, right? So we got two values. Now we are going to write down the solution set. Solution set will be in the ordered pairs in which we are supposed to take care of the order. So for x is equal to 0, y was equal to 1. First order pair. For x is equal to minus 3, y was minus 2. So this is the answer of question number 6. In which what we have done, we have just open up the brackets for the given equation. Then we have subtracted the two equations so that our few terms will get cancelled and our remaining equation will be more easier, and we can from that equation we can easily insert the values in any of the given equation in order to find out the value of variables. I hope you understand the sum. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.